Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the region on your iPhone. Sometimes when you try to change your region, it may not work properly. Don't worry, just follow these simple steps. First, go to your iPhone settings and make sure you're on the main settings page. Before making any changes, ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection and that VPN is turned off. Next, go to the General section and tap on Software Update. Make sure your iOS is updated to the latest version. If it's not, update your iPhone first. After updating, go back and scroll down to Language and Region. Tap on it and you'll see several options. Find the region option and tap on it. Now, select the country you want to set as your region. For example, I'm currently in Pakistan, so I'll select Pakistan. You can choose any country you want to switch to. That's it for this video. Make sure you follow these steps carefully to change the region on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials.